Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Dave, and we're the IB English guys. We are partnering with Revision Village. We're so excited because this is about actively learning, not just passively watching videos, but actively encouraging students to work on their English skills.
That's right. We've been working hard on the website with a great team, and we want to introduce you to the website, give you a tour, and specifically, we want to talk about the question bank. Mr. Giles, what is the question bank?
The question bank has 3 different subgroups, and we want to think about this is about you working on your Paper 1 and Paper 2 skills. The first subgroup is Paper 1, Andrew.
Yeah, we have what we're calling Textual Insight. This is a place for you to look at advertisements, blog posts, any other non-literary text type you can think of, it'll be there. And you'll answer a series of questions to hone and sharpen your Paper 1 skills.
Each question has a guiding question, an overarching guiding question, and there are 9 questions to answer. 3 easy, 3 medium, 3 difficult. And that allows you to really deconstruct that particular text type one at a time.
Yeah, that's right. We also offer support for Paper 2. We have what's called Literary Lens. In this section, you'll be looking at all the different literary forms: prose fiction, prose nonfiction, drama, poetry, graphic novels. This is a chance for you to sharpen your literary toolbox, but only looking at one text at a time. This is for you to practice those literary skills.
That's right. And the last subgroup is the Paper 2 Literary Connection. This is where you're going to be asked to work on your comparative skills, and we know that's such an important aspect of Paper 2. You're going to be given 2 literary passages to read and look at, and then you have a series of literary questions that are comparative in nature for you to deconstruct those 2 texts.
Yeah, Mr. Giles, we've looked at all the questions for every question set. There is some great practice there. Now, Mr. Giles, when practicing, we have 2 options. We can do it in either open study mode or we can do it in exam mode. Let me talk about open study mode. In open study mode, you can take the 9 questions one at a time, you can type in your answer, you can access mark schemes, and you can use Newton AI to get immediate feedback on your answer. It's great. You can see what you're doing well and lots of recommendations on how to improve. That's open study mode.
Examination mode asks you to answer all 9 questions in one go, like you're taking the exam and deconstructing that entire text. Then you submit that. 15 minutes later, you receive feedback.
And you get a 1 to 7 score. This is great for helping you judge where are you in the course and how much more do you need to do and where do you need to focus your studies. Folks, in the end, we are so happy that IB English Guys and Revision Village has collaborated to put together this amazing study opportunity. Please work through the question bank. Don't forget about the 3 different subgroups, and good luck on exam day.
Good luck, guys.